on. And for this week is referencing and bibliography tools. We need to note that out there are a lot of free online bibliography and citation tools that we can make use of. And we also need to know from ourselves that each citation tool has its inherent strengths and weaknesses. We only outline some of them, about 12, but they are quite a number. BibMe, Citation Machine, CitAvi, CiteLighter, Dossier, Recipe for Success, AutoBib, RevDot, Zotero, EasyBib, CiteDis for me, and of course, not forgetting Mendeley that will be mentioned by one of our resource persons. The question most people often ask is, which citation should you use? Well, the simplest answer to that is that citation usually is dependent on the discipline and sometimes on the demands of maybe the faculty if one is running a program or a journal if one is sending a paper to a journal article. But most often we have APA, which is being used when it comes to those in psychology, education, and the social sciences. We have the MLA, which is the citation references style being used by those in literature, arts, and humanities. AMA by those in medicine, earth, and biological sciences. And Chicago is often used in what some call the real world, maybe in books, magazine, other publications that are non-scholarly. The next question is, why should I use a citation generator? Those who have been doing citation will know that irrespective of the citation method or style, citation styles are usually hard to understand and formatting oftentimes are difficult. So you want to put in mind that every citation style comes up with quite a number of rules, and citation can take quite a large number of time, especially if we are to format manually. And sometimes you can easily note that errors can creep in accidentally into our formatting style. So using citation generators will often save us a considerable amount of time and ensure that our citations are consistent and they are formatted correctly. We will just point out one of the various free citation generators that are there. We have the free APA 6 and APA 7 citation generator. The website is there for us to see. We'll just take a brief look at what you can do with this citation generator, especially if you are working with APA. But I want to let you know that this is mybib.com. It has citation generator for other referencing style apart from APA. We'll just take a look at that of the APA. We're trying to go to the website and we'll see. I've clicked on the link. This is what is bringing out free APA 6 and APA 7 citation generator. And what do you need to do? Once it comes up, you will see the template that you can easily interact with. You see the style, APA 6, APA 7, Chicago, Harvard, Harvard, Australia, MLE 7, MLE 8. What is the source of your material? APA generator format of MyBib that we are demonstrating to us. This is just one out of several that are out there. It's a little bit interactive and can easily guide. For example, if you can see where my cursor is, say start here. We can cite website, book, journals, and videos automatically. Just search within the title or an identifier. So you may want to cite that some references before, or maybe the book material is online or not. But I would want us to go manually with the example we're going to do. And I'm interested in referencing an hypothetical book. Let me click on book. Then I want to search manually. It gives me the template to interact with, the basic information I need that will help in giving me the citation reference for the material. First name, as of the first name, well, let me use my name, Oluwaseanumi. Last name, Adepoju. And then editor, maybe the book doesn't have an editor. If the book has more than one author, you can add other authors. Maybe let me add an author. The first name of the author may be Ibrahim, and the last name of the author, Danjuma.
Hello, Director, sir. Hello, sorry, Director.
Yes, please.
You are the only one seeing that template. Please.
Okay, we are going to share that now, please.
Okay. So
yeah, we are sharing that. Sorry, it's a mistake. So let me go over from beginning. Yeah, I haven't seen when you click on the link, you're going to see this template coming up. That is the website I showed to you, mybib.com. We are just demonstrating how we can use online citation generator. And I'm focusing attention on APA. And I said it is a little bit, let me start all over again for us to see. This is the home page that we're going to see. We can see different styles that are there. APA 6, APA 7, Chicago, Harvard, Australia, MLA, and MLA 7 and MLA 8. And it also tells you, it gives you the clue as to the type of material you want to reference. Is it a website? Is it a book? Is it a journal? Is it a video? And it has more other materials, quite a lot, artwork, blog post, book, and the rest. Except for just demonstration, we are going to take a look at book. And one thing we want to take note of is that cramming is involved when you are using any form of referencing style. But using a citation generator makes the work easier. I want to make reference to a book. How do I cite the book or reference the book using APA style? So I've clicked on book and I've already clicked on APA 7. And I said I prefer to enter my details manually. You can also search if the material is online. Now, the book author, I said the surname, so let's say it is my publication, so Oluwaseanumi as the first name, and the last name of the author, Adepoju. And it's a book that is co-authored. It has another author, so I will add another person. And I said the second author, the first name is Ibrahim, and the last name is Danjuma. So these are the two authors. Editor is not a book that has an editor. If it's a book that has an editor, I can add the editor. Translator is not a book that has been translated, so I leave that. Publication, where was it published? The book was published in 2020. Which month? August. And of course, day, if you like, you can leave it. But let me say the book was published today, so that makes it easier. Date originally published, that is not applicable, so I can skip that. Title of book, maybe the book is Introduction to Teaching Profession. Edition, let's assume is the second edition. Volume is not applicable. Publisher, the publisher is, let's say, Faculty of Education, Gombe State, Faculty of Education, Gombe State University. Correct that spelling. Publisher place, Gombe. Age range, maybe it's not applicable. URL, not applicable. ISBN, maybe it's applicable. In this case, let me just think of a number, NS0699Y. annotation not applicable. These are the basic information I need. So rather than me cramming, all I need to do is just generate, and it's going to generate the way I should be able to reference the material. This is what has been done. So I can edit or save it or copy to clipboard. If I want to see how the work is to be cited, this is telling me in text citation. Of course, let me see. We can copy to clipboard or edit or save it to project. Let me save. So I can have quite a number of my work put in there, and it helps. I can always have access to them later. For example, you can see here my first project. This, I've already done something earlier on, that's why we can see there. So all the materials have been able to reference or format using APA 7. Using this automatic material generator, it's going to just keep all my materials. Now take a look at what I just did now. Look at it. Adepoju O. You see the comma is there, the full stop is there where it should be. Danjuma I 2020 Introduction to Teaching Profession, 2nd edition. So I don't need to bother myself about where should I put comma, which one should be indexed, which one should not be indexed. Once I put the needed information, it automatically cites the material the way I want it done. And it also gives me a clue, how will I cite it in text citation? We can see it, Adepoju and Danjuma 2020. The only clue or only thing we want to mention here that everything is in capital because I wrongly impute it as capital. So that is also another point to put in mind. Once we get the capitalization right, every other style formatting is done according to the specific citation style that we have chosen. This is just what we mention, just for us to see various possibilities. This same citation generator, my BIP, can take care of other citation styles. We only use this as an example. We urge all of us to please give it a trial. Let's try this, and we see that it takes the burden of citation off our neck.